Bright and early in the morning, we work on the car. This. Well, this happened, and we can't have this. Some of them know what did happen, but this did break off first, and my plastic weld it and put it back on, and it did work fine and everything, and then it broke off again. Life. So, hopefully this can fit. It looks the same. Get this off of eBay. Pretty cheap actually, but it should be the replacement for that. It look like it can work. So this is how I change up today, and it's supposed to look like this when we're done. So I can start on it. So first thing you want to move them screws here. Got them screw a hole in the door panel. The only thing I don't like about this is you have to take off the entire panel. Then you have to go remove this piece. Good thing it just snaps in, so you're not really worry about nothing much. One screw that in here, so yeah. Sometimes I don't know which way to turn the screw. Obviously, some people have this memorized, but I'm tend to remind myself when I'm not sure which way to go. Right, tight, left, loose. It rhymes, right and tight, and then left start with L, loose start with L. So you turn it to the left for loosen it. No, and hard to loosen now. Alright, so this out. And one down here, so actually there's none down there. Well, alright, I think I just them 4 screw there, and we can do now the rest of it at tabs. I feel like I missed that one I screwed in. And voila, so it's finally out. This is the old and this is the new. Hey, what's up? So them seem to match up, so I'm gonna go just drop it in and let's get to it. Alright, so this is a little latch. So when you pull the handle, this pulls the wire, this wire, and this wire pull the latch, and that will pull the door, as far as I can remember. So this is what broke. This handle here. So hey, we're gonna fit it back together. The things that I haven't broken. So out with the old, in with the new, and it works fine. And just to make sure it works fine, open this, and there you go, and it works. But wait, there's more. So this, the screws on this, the panel, I'll set this down. The old panel itself broke off and blah 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 blah. So need to get my panel put on this. Look at that, a panel. So yeah, snap that down and it's supposed to work. So one of the issues is the screw them. Well, this is supposed to go so. This is the window lock and this is the panel and it's supposed to go on this. This plug in on this and it's supposed to look like that. The issue is the screws on the old one, it broke, so all of them are broke and this fell down inside the door. So I got one of this, same place where I got this, eBay, and now I gotta fit up back this. So I would take this off and find the screws, but I can't bother. But lucky enough, I found screws that work. So I am going to remove these screws off of this and recycle because green initiative. You probably hear the delivery guy. I don't know why I feel like to call it the castle, but important. Anyway, this put on 1, 2, 3, and then all you gotta do is snap this back in. So. And then this snaps into place right here like so, and boom, that done. So now if they press down, it now go drop down and you can pull up and the window works. Well, hopefully the window works. Make I assume the window works. Right now it's up, but hey. And that's that. So now we're done. Door is done. I want to thank you guys for watching. 2 videos they're up now, you can just check them out, like, share and subscribe. You see it?